Hello everyone, featuring another quick and easy card. This one is another card that I had for my January card class, and you might actually have seen this one because I know I featured this very card on our Facebook Live during January. So anyway, I have my card base is 5.5 by 8.5 on basic black, and I have this what is this whisper white that is 4 by 5 1/4, and this one is actually for the inside of the card so that you can actually write whenever you're sending this card. So oh, I'm missing one piece here, give me a second. I'm gonna be gluing the design series paper, and this one is out of the Petal Passion collection or design series paper, which is really cool because you can paint it in different other colors. I think I don't know if I have the card here, but I showed how this let me see if I have it here. No, I don't. Anyway, I'll remember to put it on. But anyway, I have used this design series paper where I painted with the blends, and it also looks really cute. Anyway, I have a piece also of the glimmer paper, red glimmer paper, and this one is actually 5.5 by 1.5, and I forgot to say the measures on this one. This one is 5 by 3 3/4. Yes, 3 3/4. And so this one will go right in the center, like so. Okay. See, and I didn't do it quite right, so I'm just gonna, if that happens to you, you can always cut it and then be good. I don't think anyone will be saying anything about it. So this one will go like so. And I have here, where is my mat? Yes. And so what I'm going to be doing is, I have already die cut the larger circle of the stitch shapes framelets, and one of the hearts, it's one of the small hearts out of the Sassy and Sweet framelets. This one coordinates really well with the polka dot heart. And because it is photopolymer, I can see how to stamp it, you can line it up. So usually you want to stamp it later on die cut, but I have found out that for photopolymer, I can actually do the stamping, the die cutting and then the stamping, especially for videos. I found that is better for me. That way I don't have everyone waiting for me on one thing, right? You don't have to be waiting to see me die cutting it. So I figure it's easier sometimes. Now for the red, I did put a little bit of blushing bright and then the real red, and the only reason I'm doing this is because I find out from another demonstrator that it makes it better, and then your photopolymer stamps that does not stain as much. Photopolymer stamps tend to stain, and especially with the really bright colors, and real red is one of them. And so definitely when I heard about that tip, I gave it a try, and in all honesty, you can see it's not as stained as some other of my stamps where I've not done it. So I feel like that one was a great tip. So anyway, this will go like so, and now I need to just add my sentiment and this piece of real red, and this one is it's about 3 inches by by a half of an inch, and I'm using the same from the heart out of the petal palette. This is one of the two stamps, one of the two stamp sets that you get when you get the petal palette. It comes in 2 cases, and so this one has a lot of great sayings. So this one is an awesome set. And actually, I don't need to use the foam mat for this one, so we'll see how that goes. But when you're using photopolymer, especially for bold, solid images, you definitely want to use your mat behind. So, or under your paper, I should say, not behind. So anyway, I'm going to be doing a flag. And now it's just time to assemble the whole thing. I'm going to be gluing these with the fast fuse. And I'm going to be putting dimensionals for these. Should probably use another one here. Alright. So I'm going to be putting it like so. And then this one will go here. Now you notice I will put a dimensional here, but not on this section. So I will put the fast fuse there. So it's still glued. And I'll put one dimensional on this side, so that it has the same. There we go. See that? Alright, and so that concludes this card. You can tell it's really quick and easy, and it's perfect for Valentine's or from any other occasion. I mean, I don't think that this particular one is just Valentine's, although it will be perfect. And so anyway, you can send this to family and friends, and or just to let them know you are thinking of them. So thank you so much for watching it. If you like my video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll put all the items that I use on this card in the description of the video, as well as my blog at www.creatingwithali.com. Thank you so much, and see you soon.